Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the green roll cake in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to make the green roll cake, you need to have the original roll cake recipe. And you can replace the sugar with the green sugar. And for the recipe guys, you can buy it from Doris, and she only appears during the rainbow event or the rainy condition. Once you find Doris, you can buy the original roll cake recipe and also the colorful sugar. And I'm going to make the green one today. So I'm going to replace the sugar with the green sugar. For this sugar, you can also buy it from Doris during rainbow event or rainy condition. And I'm going to start cooking, guys. Okay, and don't forget to adjust the heat level. Okay, wait, it's still loading. Okay, adjust the heat level. And okay, almost done. Okay, all right, and I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, I've just unlocked the green roll cake recipe. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the green roll cake in a Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.